Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of AI Booster tool. Here I going to show you people how to use the info article and how to write info article using AI Booster tool. So when we go to this option, write informative blog, we normally get two options. One is generate bulk article and second one is write single info article. So I want to show you one by one how this process actually works. So let's start with generate bulk article. So I select this one, and then in the bulk article section, we can find it is already GPT-4o and GPT-4 Turbo is integrated in this AI Booster automatic content writing tool. So we need not to give anything extra, or we need not to provide any extra money to use this feature in AI Booster tool. This is one of the best part of this AI content writing tools. So first thing first, here in the enter campaign name, I want to provide a campaign name. Let's say informative content about graphs. I select here, and here I need to put my keyword. Here the most important thing is we need to put one keyword in one line. If we put multiple keyword in a single line, this system actually confused and don't provide us the result that we are looking for. So I already select some keyword here. So I put these three keyword, copy from here and paste it here. So my keyword is, why is my grass turning yellow in summer? My second question is, do you have to put straw over grass seed? And the third keyword is, how to get rid of water grass. Now, we already put our keyword here. Here is an option called, do you want to custom post title? That means if we click this option on, then it will suggest us to provide different kind of option. So how these things actually work? So here we need to provide the keyword. For instance, if I give the keyword and bracket close, and then I write tips 2024. That means after each and every keyword, like this three keyword, it will take our number one keyword, number two keyword, and number three keyword. It will automatically add the word tips 2024. So it will be when this content is published in my website, the entire title of this content will be, why is my grass turning yellow in summer? Tips 2024. And for the third one, it will be how to get rid of grass or water grass tips 2024. So for this particular post, I don't want to add any additional information for my post title, so I keep this option off. But if you want, you can also on this option as well. And if you don't provide any information in this subcategory or in this section, it will take automatically your main keyword as your post title. So then go further below part and share, generate a conclusion. Yes. Generate an introduction. I put yes. Do you want custom post title? I put no, and put this option off. Generate a key takeaway. Yes, I put this option on. And then select image source. I select image source from Unsplash because most of the image from this platform are free of use. And select number of image. So I'll select your number of image. Let's say 2 image. And select image caption. No, I don't want any. Select caption. Select video. So I don't want any video for this particular post. Generate AI image. Okay. So generate AI image. If we make this option on, it will you will have to pay additional $5 100 credit for each AI generated image. So just for testing purpose and to show you people how this option actually works and what is the quality of AI image, I put this option on for this post. So AI image quality, I provide high quality or standard. I provide standard, high. AI image quality at the credit. Okay, done. Number of heading tag. Here is the most important part. If we want to add number of heading, for example, 5, then it will write a content about 1000 word to less than 1000 word. But if our heading number of heading number is 10, then it will write a very long article for us. So based on our requirement, we need to select how many heading we want inside our content. So for this particular post, I let's say select 7 heading. And then language is English. If you want to publish your content in other language, you can also choose different language from this option. And after that, select tone. I select professional, conversational. I select humorous tone because my website is about a hobby gardening website, so humorous tone will be suitable for my website. The second, select point of view. I select I. That means it will share my experience. It will write my content such a way so that it looks like that I already experienced those things in my real life and now I want to implement those things in my garden. So it will write a content that will be that will describe everything in first person tone. So I select here I, but if you want, you can select the additional or other option as well. So here I need to put enter your post slugs. I don't want to put any slugs. Please select post type. I select post, then select website. Then I select my website and select category. I select lawn care and select publish. Yes, I select publish my post. Then we can also schedule my post from this section. For instance, if I put this option on, it will it wants a particular date, that which date I want to start scheduling my post, and based on this date, it will going to publish the content in my website on those selected date. So for this case, I put this option off, and I want to go to the advanced setting option. Here I will actually show you how this advanced setting option work during the time of individual content. So for this particular content, I put this section off and click submit. Okay, it's start processing our content. It will take some time, and after some time, we'll check again that how this content actually look like. Now, go to the second option for this particular article, that is called write single informative article. So I go to this option again, and here it's actually looking for the keyword again. So I provide the main keyword, how to revive. Okay, sorry. So I select my keyword and put my keyword here. Here again, I put all this option on: introduction, conclusion, a quick takeaway option, select image source. I select on slash, number of image 1, select image caption, no. Number of video, I don't want any video in this particular post. Number of heading, I want a bigger content for this one. So I select number of heading 10. Language is English. Select tone is conversational. Select option first person, add focus keyword, add entity. So I don't provide anything here because I already provide my focus keyword there, but I want to select the advanced option for this particular area. Add custom outline. So I want to on this option for this particular post. Here I want to provide an H2 tag. For instance, here I want to provide an H2 tag, and I want to write, let's say my keyword is how to revive and want to give it this way. And then select this code again and put it here. So this means I actually want to give a H2 tag, and inside the tag there will be a heading. The heading name will be how to revive St. Augustine grass step by step guide. Then I want to provide some other steps. Let's say H3 tag, and then want to provide step 1. I don't want to provide anything about under step 1. So I provide colon in this section. Okay, no colon, just provide step 1 and then copy this line and give another subheading. Let's say step 2. I'll add manually in each step exactly what I want to put there. I haven't decided those things yet, but once the content will be published, I'll decide what exactly I want to write under each step. For instance, for step 1, I want to say that at first I want to clean the area where I want to put my Augustine grass, and after that I want to put some water in step 2. So I can add putting water or provide appropriate water in step 2. And then write something about how water can revive this plant. In step 3, I can add putting fertilizer. And putting fertilizer will be my heading. And inside this, I can write how fertilizer can revive my plant. So this is my heading. And after that, I want to provide another step. Let's say copy this step and provide step 4. So these steps are done. Now I want to provide add custom information. Yes, I want to provide some custom information. Let's say what exactly right here. Here are the correct sentence with improved grammar. Okay. If you have any custom command for the AI, you can write them here. Okay. So I have a custom command for my content. So that will be these 3 questions. I actually select this question for as a subheading. So I put all those information here and then I write around $60 words in each subheading that is given above. Okay, then any negative word. Negative word means if we want to avoid any word, we can add those words here. But for this particular content, I don't have any negative word. Automatically external link. No, I don't want to provide any external link. I want to add those links manually. And for the last part is called add automatic infographic. Yes, because it is a how-to content, and inside how-to content, it is always looks better if we add any infographics. So I want to add an infographic inside my content. So I select this option and then click submit. It actually takes 2 to 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's go to our other option. For example, let's go to the campaign section, because informative article about grass, those article is already published in our website. So let's try how it looks like. So this is our website and already provide why is my grass turning yellow, how do you put straw over grass seed, and our third content is how to get rid of water grass. So let's check the content. Go to the inside of this content. And why is my grass turning yellow in summer? Let's provide a beautiful AI generated picture here. This picture is not relevant, so I will delete it later on. And it's actually right detail about what we need to do on our garden. And it's a decent post around 5 to 7 heading, and provide some image. I'll edit those image and provide some realistic image to make this content more relevant for this post. And let's change the second content as well. In the lawn section, how to pull guard over grass. Do you have to put straw over grass seed? So it's okay, it's actually generate an image for us. Okay, all those images looks actually good. It's actually bold some point here, and also write different kind of content inside our blog with different subheading. Okay, cool. Now let's go to the third content. That is right. Third content is about how to get rid of water grass. So it's already okay. It's also already generated content for us, and it's provide some subheading. Okay, this is actually the way how we can write informative content inside our website using the bulk informative content generation option. And this content is already published. Now check the individual content, how it looks like. Go to the history, and yes, I can view is a single content. The single content section you can find, yes, it's provide information about, it's write a very decent content about my website. Actually makes a infographics that is very similar to my post. And after that, it's a provide key takeaway, frequent asked questions, and so on and on. This write about the informative content about the info about how to revive the St. Augustine grass. So that's all from this video. Actually, I'm trying to show you that how the individual informative blog content and also the bulk content work in aibuster tool. So hope this video will help you people to publish your content in your website using aibuster tool. So that's all from today. Bye bye.